Hello?
Hello,
Hello?
my name is Jenny with Senior Care. How are you?
I'm fine. What's your name?
My name is Jenny with Senior Care Center. We are providing life insurance plan that cover your funeral or burial expenses. So how old are you?
67. How old are you?
Sir, I am 34 years old. Are you staying single or married, sir?
I'm sorry. It's noisy. Can you say that again?
Okay, so what is the best time to call back for you, like morning, evening, afternoon, or any time?
You can call me back right now, just it's really hard to hear you.
Sir, I said what is the best time to call back for you, like morning, evening, afternoon, or any time?
Anytime is good.
Okay, I really appreciate it, and just stay on the line and don't hang up because I'm going to transfer this call to the verifier. He will provide you more information. Stay on the line, please.
Hi, well, this is Jenny Morrison. I'm calling you from Senior Care Center. How are you doing today?
Hi.
Well, basically, I'm calling you to provide you some information about final expense insurance plan that cover your funeral expenses. So one of my licensed agent will give a call back after a couple of days and provide you more information. So what would be the good time to give a call back, like a morning, evening, or afternoon?
Hey, I got a question for you about the final expenses there. Can you answer my question for me?
Go ahead.
So I really need to, for my final expense, I want to push my old dead body in a canoe out into a lake. Is that covered? Hello?
You have been kicked from this conference.
Hello? Is that not covered? Dang it.